Samsung Galaxy A3 2017 Screen Replacement Guide. Power down your 2017 Samsung Galaxy A3. Eject the SIM card and microsd card tray from the top of the smartphone. The Galaxy A3 rear glass is glued on solidly. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the sticky adhesive and carefully dislodge the rear glass panel from the chassis. Remove the following 11 Phillips screws. Pry up the plastic shield that covers the top of the motherboard. Extract the wafer-thin assembly that includes the NFC antenna and loudspeaker. Remove the plastic shield that covers the bottom of the Galaxy A3 motherboard. Starting with the battery connector, detach the bevy of cables from the motherboard. Remove the following Phillips screw. Spudge up the Galaxy A320 motherboard and extract it from the phone. Remove the following Phillips screw. Pluck out the modular 3.5mm headphone jack. Remove the spring contact connected vibrator. The next two components to surrender are the proximity sensor and earpiece speaker. Remove the power button cable from the side of the midframe. Use the tweezers to pry out the 2017 Galaxy A3 volume buttons cable. The Galaxy A3 battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a triangle opening tool and spudger to muscle it free from the adhesive securing it to the midframe. Extricate the 2350 mAh battery. The 4.7-inch Galaxy A3 AMOLED display assembly is glued on solidly to the midframe. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough separation to insert a playing card. Use the playing card to attack the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the home button and cables for the bottom buttons when decoupling the Samsung Galaxy A3 screen from the frame. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYmobilerepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.